So today I'm working on this Amiga, which I purchased a few months back, and thought it had a seized rotor, but after showing it on a live stream it turned out a screw was loose and was causing it to seize. So we'll start by removing the rotor. Alongside removing this strap as well. With the rotor out, we can then take out the automatic, and then remove one of the case clamps. The other one was missing. We then remove the stem and crown, and then remove the bezel from the front. This will then allow us to push the movement through the front of the case. Refit the stem and crown, and remove the hands. We then loosen up the dial feet screws and remove the dial. We can then remove the hour wheel and cannon pinion, flip it over and remove the balance. Cut the power and then remove the ratchet screw and crown wheel screw, along with the crown wheel and the ratchet wheel, and then the center seconds pinion. We can then loosen the 3 screws holding down the barrel bridge and the 2 screws holding down the train bridge. Remove the train bridge first, and then the barrel bridge. Remove all the train wheels and the barrel, and then remove the pallets. Once again, remove the stem and crown, along with the winding and sliding pinions, and then strip down the keyless works. And then remove the balance jewel from the base plate. And then refit the housing so that the balance has somewhere to sit. And then refit the balance. Remove the jewel from the balance cock. And a little bit more cleaning. We'll then strip down the automatic, open up the barrel, remove the arbor, and then extract the mainspring. And then have the watch parts cleaned in a watch cleaning machine. We can then remove the balance and start reassembling the keyless. We'll then apply some grease onto the stem and very carefully fit it with the winding and sliding pinions. We'll then grease up the side walls of the barrel, as well as applying some grease to the surface, and with the mainspring now cleaned and wound up, press it into the barrel. We will then grease and fit the barrel arbor. Before greasing and fitting the barrel cap. We'll grease and place the barrel along with the center wheel. We'll then also assemble up the train before fitting the barrel bridge, followed by the train bridge. After seeing everything move smoothly, I'll then screw everything down. And then fitting the second hand pinion. We'll then move on to fitting the crown wheel. And then the ratchet wheel. And then all the train jewels. Next we can fit the pallets. And oil those as well. Next we can refit the balance cock. And then oil the balance jewels. With the jewels oiled, we'll then fit them in place. And adjust the timekeeping. We'll then fit the cannon pinion and minute wheel, along with the hour wheel and dial washer, and then refit the dial. Tighten up the dial feet screws, and then set the hands. Next we can then reassemble the automatic. And oil all the jewels. With everything done from a mechanical standpoint, we'll then go on to polish the case. And get everything fitted together. Sadly, the only thing I didn't record from this was the fitting of the glass. We'll then refit the stem and crown, fit the automatic, fit and mount the rotor, and then fit 2 clamps to hold the movement in place, before then fitting the case back, and finally refitting the strap. And there you have it, a bit of a facelift for this vintage Omega watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and I will see you again next time.